This is our 1985 Hartman-Palmer 60, a long-range trawler with excellent accommodations. She has been exceptionally maintained by a full-time captain, and not only does she have redundant electronics and spare parts for almost every situation, she also comes with a large file of maintenance history. The layout is fantastic with the galley up, 4 staterooms below, spacious salon, and a pilot house with great visibility. Features include roll stabilizers, bow and stern thrusters, and an aluminum hardtop. The foredeck is spacious and safe with a sturdy railing and features an ideal electric windlass. The aft deck is perfect for relaxing and entertaining with seating and a grill out back. Go up the ladder and we're on the expansive flybridge with more than enough places to lounge. Move forward under the hardtop and there's even more seating. The upper helm features twin captain's chairs, a great view, and a ton of electronics. Moving inside, we enter the extremely spacious and comfortable main salon with a complete entertainment center. There are 5 AC units aboard, so you will always be comfortable. Forward and to starboard is the day head, and directly opposite is the galley. The galley is very well designed and well equipped and has a ton of storage and a complete bar and dining area. Features include double stainless steel sinks with pressurized hot and cold water, a Gen-Air stove and oven with grill, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer. The pilot house provides a superb steering station and has additional aft seating at the table. There's an extensive array of electronics on board, such as engine room cameras, 2 radar systems, and autopilot. The first 2 staterooms are forward with a total of 4 berths. There are 2 heads and 1 separate shower. Also down here is the washer and dryer, as well as access to the enormous walk-around engine room. She She is powered by twin Detroit 320 horsepower diesels and also has two 15 kilowatt generators. The other two staterooms are aft, and they are both extremely spacious with sizable berths, plenty of storage, and ensuite head and shower. The aft master stateroom is full of natural light and even features a king-sized mattress. This is a one-of-a-kind classic trawler that is perfect for long-distance cruising or as a spacious live-aboard. The full specs and asking price are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For more listings, visit our website.